Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. The first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's Bluetooth on, and we're watching out at the bottom here. From any screen, if I click telephone there, there's no phones connected at the moment, so it's asking me if I want to connect a phone. If there was a phone connected, it would come up with a list of phones and ask you which one you wanted to connect. Also, you get in, if your phone's connected, you get in, it will connect automatically. So here we go. Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, search for Bluetooth devices. Range Rover Evoque is searching. It's come up with Barry's iPhone 11. I click on that. Pairing Barry's iPhone 11. Please start pairing process on your device. Now, first of all, it said put 000 in. But now it's generated a random pin code. So you just wait for that, and then you don't have to type anything in your phone and then in here. You just have to confirm. That's it. Just wait there. It's connected on the system here, and it's connected there. Range Rover Evoque. That's how you do it.